My degree alone would have finished me. What saved my career was not written anywhere inside my certificate. The day I realized that changed everything. In this video, I will show you the moment I realized my certificate was not enough. I will also share the self-education shift that completely changed the direction of my career. My name is Pat. If you are ready, let's get started. For us to begin, we are going to divide this discussion into three main parts. So we are starting with the first one, the initial blind spot. See, I trusted my certificate too much. You know that orientation, go to school, get a good grade, and you are made. So I trusted my certificate with my good grade because I actually have upper credit in my national diploma. And I have second class upper division in my university certificate. So I trusted it. This is the same thing with so many people in Nigeria. So you feel safe because you have a good certificate. But then my certificate humbled me. Why? Because the employers, they want something more than just grade. It's not just about paper qualification. So your certificate could introduce you by helping you to get shortlisted, but it may not defend you. What happens after your degree or certificate introduces you? What protects you when the interview becomes practical? The answer is hidden in the next part. Let's go there. So in second part, we are looking at the critical shift. For me, I became my own school. I used YouTube as my overnight lecture. I go to YouTube to learn one or two things. Because even though I have good grades, there are job demanding skills that I did not have as at that time. So I had to go to YouTube, learn digital skills daily. I got so many frustration because as at that time, for you to go to YouTube to learn anything, you need to buy good amounts of data. Yes, it's not like now that data is relatively cheap. You can easily go to YouTube and watch a complete 1 hour film. Then you need to have enough budget before you can be able to do that. Apart from internet data, NEPA is another thing. NEPA seriously fought against me. But what do? I stopped waiting for permission and committed to upskilling myself. But listen, learning random skills can still waste your time. How do you turn self-education into career protection? The exact move is hidden in the next final part. Let's go to that part now. So in this final part, which is part 3, it is the unfair advantage. What do you need to do? You only need to pick one digital lane. Where do you want to belong? For me, I picked data analysis and automation. It was easier for me because I've been in digital knowledge. For example, I did my computer training as far back as 2003. Although it was a basic training, but I used it to teach normal Microsoft Office applications. So moving to data analysis was a lot easier for me. The next thing I did was to build 3 proof pieces, documenting all that I have done, building something that real people need, a real case study. The next was to package them in one link so that whenever I'm sending an application, I'll put the link there. Of course, HR will not start searching online to see you. You will need to share them. You will need to show them what you have done. I lead every application with a proof. Your degree is not useless. You are the one having over-reliance on it. But it is no longer enough to carry your career alone. So you need to add more digital skills or any other skill for that matter to it. Now it is your turn. Tell me which digital skill can you start building proof around it starting from this month. I would like to learn from you, and I read all of the comments. Let me have your thoughts in the comment box. I will read all of them. If you have not subscribed, please, this is the good time for you to support me by clicking on the subscribe button. Remember also to give the video a thumb so that YouTube will show it to many others. Also watch this video on B.Sc versus HND in Nigeria. You will learn how certificate bias really works in Nigerian institutions. The link is also in the description box below. I remain your big uncle, Uncle Pat, and I will see you on the next one. Keep winning.